In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Trello with Outlook Calendar. If you're someone who juggles multiple tasks and projects using Trello and relies on Outlook Calendar to keep track of your schedule, then this tutorial is perfect for you. By the end of this video, you'll be able to seamlessly sync your Trello cards with your Outlook Calendar, ensuring that you never miss an important deadline or meeting again. First things first, we'll need to head over to Zapier, which is a powerful online tool that connects your favorite apps to automate repetitive tasks. If you don't have an account yet, it's a great time to sign up. It's free and easy to get started. Once you're in, we're going to create what Zapier calls a zap. Simply put, a zap is an automated workflow between two apps, in our case, Trello and Outlook Calendar. Our first step in creating this zap is choosing a trigger. A trigger is an event in one of your apps that starts the automation. For our purpose, we'll be setting our trigger to activate when a Trello card is due or updated. This means that every time you either update a card or it reaches its due date, the automation will kick in. Set this trigger by selecting Trello from the list of apps, and then selecting Card Due or Updated as your event trigger. After setting up the trigger, it's now time to decide what action should happen in Outlook Calendar when something happens in Trello. In Zapier's terms, an action is what happens automatically when the zap is triggered. For this, we want to create a new event in Outlook Calendar. Select Outlook Calendar as your action app, and then choose Create Event as the specific action. This way, each time a Trello card's due date is approaching or gets modified, a corresponding Outlook Calendar event will be created automatically for you. Next comes the important step of connecting your Trello and Outlook accounts to Zapier. If it's your first time doing this, you'll be prompted to log into your accounts through a secure page. Don't worry, it's a very straightforward process. Just follow the prompts and you'll have both accounts linked in no time. After they are connected, Zapier will ask you to test this new zap to ensure everything is working smoothly. Once you've tested and confirmed that everything's operating correctly, you'll find that it's an easy setup that works well for basic syncing between your Trello and Outlook Calendar. Whether you're managing tasks for work, planning a personal project, or anything in between, having these two tools integrated will save you loads of time and keep you definitely organized. And that's it. A simple yet effective way to keep everything in sync. With just these few steps, you can create an efficient workflow between Trello and Outlook Calendar, ensuring all your important tasks and meetings are beautifully coordinated. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.